Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Firstly, I'd like to apologise for the length of time it's taken to get another video out. I was trying to hold off because this video marks 220 videos on the channel, which is what the channel's all about, which is my ST220. And also hoping that this video would have also come out around about the time I hit 10k subscribers, which is just around the corner now. So firstly, I just want to thank everybody for that, because there's a lot of people who watch the channel and subscribe to it. So I just wanted to say a massive thank you to everyone. Before I'll be gonna be hitting about 10k before the year's out. So I just wanted to jump in and have a quick chat with you, show you what I've been up to, because I've been quiet on the channel. But reason being is I started the subframe on the ST, as you see a couple of videos ago, and it was more work than what I thought. Okay, I looked at the subframe and I was like, the condition of this subframe may be worth just being in it, scrapping it and getting a replacement. I'll show you why I say that in a second. And then it's opened up the door to other little jobs that could be doing, like the brake lines whilst it's down at the back end, treating any surface rust on the actual car itself underneath and treating it all. So it's opened up a whole gateway of jobs that I can get on with and do. So that's what I'm going to do. Plus, with all these extra things I can do, I've run out of room to store things. So I spent the last few weeks reorganising my garage and making more storage as best as I can. So I'm going to flip the camera and I'm going to stop rabbiting on and I'm going to show you what I've been up to. So here's the subframe, and I've not got the poly bushes out yet. You can see the damage just here and here. It's supposed to look like that there, but I've got this one out here, and you can see where the bush has been replaced. It's when it's not been sat right and been pushed back in, it's damaged the actual subframe here. Now I could probably treat these and heat it up, knock it back into place, but is it really worth it? The bolts could always be replacing, but because of this, it's bugging me. So the subframe new is cheap enough, so I might just get a new one. The arms are savable, just sand them back, paint them up, and the bushes, I'm going to see if I can find some poly bushes for them and maybe replace all the bolts. So while we're around the back of the car, I've got new shocks to go in, and I thought it might be worth replacing everything, including the top mounts, the dust guard, treat the knuckle, sort out all the brake lines and treat underneath, because I've got access to everything. Give it a real good clean up. See the other side there, zoom right in if I can. That is gonna be worth doing. So as you see, I've opened up a whole gateway of work that I can get on with the car. So, but what else have I been up to? Right, this is where it all comes into sense, what I said about saving space. Okay, most of you may remember I had a great big metal cabinet here. Well, that's gone, the shelving unit, and I've replaced it with this unit here I've made, just like literally in the corner out of some old OSB wood, I think. I can't remember, I found so much going on. And as you can see, got some shelves. Let's get a light on it. Okay. So, got some shelves here. I've got a 12 volt supply here and USB socket there. And the cable here is actually to charge this light up. Got some tools down here, Ryobi stuff here. Down the bottom there is the it's my sliding hammer. So basically various tools in there. And I'm going to be eventually putting some tools on the back of here. You can open this door right up and it hooks right back, and then also closes up like so. Also, a good thing I've got that I've I've done with some more old bits of scrap wood I've had laying around is I've built a little unit. Let me flip the camera, set it up on a tripod and show you. So at the bottom underneath there was a gap, so I made this chest here. Okay, it's on wheels so I can pull it out. I've got to finish painting it yet. Okay, you take the top off. And it's got some tools inside it. So I've got all my welding kit, some more tools here from Roby, circular saw, battery powered stuff. Underneath this there is another shelf. You have to take all this out, take the other shelf out, and it's got all rattle cans and stuff like that underneath it. That's just occasional use stuff, but this is the stuff I'll use more than that. So that's what I've been up to. Let's put it all back together. It will slide under there nicely when I've got it all finished. So there you have it, guys. I have been busy behind the scenes sorting this storage situation out. I've got a load more projects coming up on the ST220, and like I said, I wanted this video to actually mark 220 videos on the channel. Also trying to tie in with the 10k subscriber count. However, I don't want to keep you waiting any longer, so I thought I'd bring you in, show you what I've got planned. Put it to you guys, what would you do with that subframe? Would you try and rectify where the bushes have gone in, or would you just go, I think they're about 150 quid to buy a new one, and then put some poly bushes in the sway bars, in the arms and stuff like that. So let me know in the comments what you'd do. Sorry there's not much in the way of projects on the car, but I just wanted to give you an update on what I've been doing behind the scenes. I could have showed you me building this unit and this cabinet, but I don't think it's really that, you know, for the channel, that sort of thing. I've got myself a welder now, as you see in the unit down the bottom. I've got all my welding kit. I have got the welding set up now, I'm ready to go. Just waiting on some argon gas to turn up, and I will be rectifying and redoing the whole exhaust system on this car. So with that all in mind, I hope you've enjoyed this little update. Until the next video, which hopefully won't be too long now. I've got plenty of videos ready to go on the Mark IV, but I wanted this video to be about, you know, the ST. So until next time, hopefully be a couple of weeks. See you soon. Bye for now.